What if I told you that these 3 free AI tools can save you 10 hours every week? No coding, no experience, and most people still don't know about them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use these AI tools to work faster, create content, and save hours of effort. Today I'm showing you 3 free AI tools that completely changed how I work. Let's start with tool number 1. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Most people use ChatGPT like a search engine. That's a mistake. Instead of asking, write a YouTube script, ask, write a 2-minute YouTube script for beginners with a strong hook, simple language, and a call to action. The better your prompt, the better your result. This alone can save hours of writing. Tool number 2, Canva AI. Need thumbnails, social media posts, presentations? Canva AI can create them in minutes. Instead of spending hours designing, you simply describe what you want. For YouTube creators, this is a huge time saver. Tool number 3, CapCut AI. Want videos without spending hours editing? CapCut AI can generate captions, remove backgrounds, create voiceovers, and speed up editing. Many creators use it every day. Imagine using all 3 tools together. ChatGPT writes, Canva designs, CapCut edits. What used to take 10 hours can often be done much faster. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to make you more productive. Which AI tool do you use the most? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe to Pradeep AI Tools for more AI tips and tutorials.